اهلا بيك في حلقه جديده من الكورس التاهيلي لاختبار الايلتس. زي ما اتفقنا في اول حلقه في الكورس ده خالص ان كل وحده هي 10 حلقات. الحلقه رقم 9 زي النهارده دي بتكون محاكاه حقيقيه لاختبار الايلتس. خليك معايا. السلام عليكم ورحمه الله وبركاته. انا ابراهيم عادل وانت بتتفرج على كورس تعلم اللغه الانجليزيه على قناه زي امريكان انجلش. عاوزك بقى تدخل في مود الاختبار وتجيب ورقه وقلم كده وتبدا معايا. الافضل انك تحمل الملخص المجاني اللي على التطبيق، هتلاقي فيه الاختبار والمكان المحدد للاجابه، ولكن لو حابب تكتب بايدك كده طبعا تقدر. هقول لك كل سؤال المفروض ياخد معانا وقت قد ايه، وطبعا انت تقدر توقف الفيديو وتاخد وقتك كله وتحل قبل السؤال اللي بعده ما يجي. علشان افكرك، اختبار الايلتس بيكون مدته بالكامل ساعتين 45 دقيقه، بيكون متقسم على 4 اجزاء: جزء سماعي 40 دقيقه، جزء قراءه 60 دقيقه، جزء كتابي 60 دقيقه، واخر حاجه بتكون محادثه، بتقعد مع شخص بيسالك شويه اسئله وبيتكلم معاك في موضوع معين، بتكون مدتها من 11 ل 15 دقيقه. وطبعا علشان ده امتحان مصغر لايلتس فمش هناخد اختبار كامل في كل مره. المره دي هيكون معانا في الجزء الكتابي تاسك واحد بس بدل 2، والجزء السماعي هناخد فيه سكشن واحد فقط بدل 4، وجزء القراءه هناخد فيه قطعه واحده فقط بدل 3، ولكن ان شاء الله يكون فيهم الكفايه. من اول هنا هتكلم انجليزي فقط في الوقت الخاص بالسؤال، وبعد كل نوع سؤال هوري لك شكل ورقه الاجابه الخاصه بيه علشان تقدر تتخيل معايا ممكن تكتب ازاي في الاختبار. اهم حاجه تسجل اجاباتك علشان الحلقه الجايه تقدر تقارنها بالاجابات النموذجيه. جاهز؟ يلا بينا. Listening.
Section 2. You will hear a local radio broadcast about the Rivendell City Theatre. First, you have some time to look at questions 11 to 16.
Questions 11 to 16. What change has been made to each part of the theater? Choose 6 answers from the box and write the correct letter A to G next to questions 11 to 16. Part of the theater. 11. Box office. 12. Shop. 13. Ordinary seats. 14. Seats for wheelchair users. 15. Lifts. 16. Dressing room.
Now listen carefully and answer questions 11 to 16.
And here on Radio Rivendell, we have Lynn Rawley, the Public Relations Officer of our own Rivendell City Theatre. Hello, Lynn.
Hello.
Now, the theatre is reopening soon after its 3-year redevelopment program, isn't it?
That's right, and there are a lot of improvements. The first thing people will see when they go in is that the foyer has been repainted in the original green and gold. Then the box office has been reoriented with its own access from the side of the building instead of through the foyer, which means it can be open longer hours and has more space too. The shop that used to be in the foyer, which sold books and CDs, is the one part of the redevelopment which isn't yet complete. The plan is to find new premises for it near the theatre, and we've had difficulty finding somewhere suitable. We hope to reopen the shop in the next few months.
Will audiences find any difference in the auditorium?
Yes, we've increased the legroom between the rows. This means that there are now fewer seats, but we're sure audiences will be much happier. And we've installed air conditioning so it won't get so hot and stuffy. We already had a few seats which were suitable for wheelchair users, and now there are twice as many, which we hope will meet demand. Something else that will benefit audiences is the new lifts. The 2 we used to have were very small and slow. They've now gone, and we've got much more efficient ones.
Anything for the performers?
Yes, we've made a number of improvements backstage. The small, dark dressing rooms we used to have been converted into 2 large, airy rooms, so they're much more comfortable now. And the state-of-the-art electronic sound and lighting systems have been installed.
Before you hear the rest of the talk, you have some time to look at questions 17 to 20.
Questions 17 to 20. Complete the table below. Write no more than 2 words and or a number for each answer. Play Royal Hunt of the Sun. Dates October 13th to starting time. Tickets available. Price.
Now listen and answer questions 17 to 20.
Okay, so what's the first play that audiences can see when the theatre reopens?
We've got a very exciting production of Peter Shaffer's Royal Hunt of the Sun, which is currently touring the country. That starts on October the 13th and runs till the 19th. We're experimenting a bit with the time the curtain goes up. We used to start all our performances at 7:30, but that made it difficult for people to go home by public transport. So instead, we're beginning at 7, because at 9:45, when it finishes, there are still buses running. Tickets are already selling fast. The Friday and Saturday performances sold out almost immediately, and in fact now there are only tickets for Monday and Thursday.
How much are they?
We've introduced a simpler price structure. Ticket prices used to range from £6 to £30, but now they're all £18. They're available from the box office, in person, by phone, fax or post, or online.
Okay, Lynn. Now, if you'd like to give the contact details for the theatres.
That is the end of section 2. You now have half a minute to check your answers.
Reading. This reading is available on the free PDF that comes with the lesson on our free app. The link is in the description. Please download the PDF, print it if you had to, and answer it there. We will now skip right ahead to the next part. Don't forget to answer the questions on the PDF. Writing. Academic Writing Task 2. You should spend about 40 minutes on this task. Write about the following topic. Some of the methods used in advertising are unethical and unacceptable in today's society. To what extent do you agree with this view? Give reasons for your answer and include any relevant examples from your own experience or knowledge. Write at least 250 words. بس كده يا سيدي، مش هطول عليك بقى. ما تنساش تنزل الملخص، هتلاقي فيه الاختبار كاملا، تقدر تشوفه مرة تانية وتحله براحتك قبل ما تشوف الحلقة الجاية إن شاء الله. ولو عندك أي أسئلة واستفسارات تقدر تكتبها في التعليقات، وأشوفك الحلقة الجاية بإذن الله. شكرا للمشاهدة، والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.